Feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or like your mind is running in a million directions? If you're over 50, you know how easily life's pressures can pile up. But what if I told you there's a simple, free, and incredibly fast way to hit the reset button on your entire nervous system? I'm talking about a technique so powerful it's backed by research from the Stanford School of Medicine, and you can do it anywhere, anytime, in under 60 seconds. It's called the physiological sigh. And it might just be the fastest, most effective way to lower stress without needing any medication, meditation apps, or special equipment. It's just you and your breath. So, how does it work? It's incredibly simple. You take one long, deep inhale through your nose. Then, right at the top of that breath, you sneak in a second, shorter inhale to really fill your lungs to maximum capacity. And finally, you let it all go with a long, slow, controlled exhale through your mouth until your lungs feel completely empty. That's one cycle. But what's the science behind this simple action? A groundbreaking study from Stanford, led by neuroscientist Dr. Andrew Huberman, put this technique to the test. They compared it with other popular methods like box breathing and cyclic hyperventilation. The results were clear. The physiological sigh consistently reduced stress faster and more effectively than any other technique. Here's the fascinating part. When you take that double inhale, you're reinflating tiny air sacs in your lungs called alveoli. This allows for a more efficient offloading of carbon dioxide, which builds up in your body when you're stressed. Then, that long, slow exhale sends a direct signal to your brain and body to calm down. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural rest and digest mode. Think of it this way. Your brain has an alarm center called the amygdala. It's what triggers feelings of fear, stress, and anxiety. The long exhale effectively tells the amygdala, hey, everything's okay, you can stand down. As the amygdala quiets down, another part of your brain, the prefrontal cortex, comes back online. This is your command center for rational thought, clear thinking, and good decision-making. That's why, after just 2 or 3 of these sighs, you don't just feel calmer, you actually think more clearly. The mental fog lifts, and you can focus again. Let's try it together. By now, wherever you are, just pause for a moment. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Now, a little extra sip of air at the top. And now, a long, slow exhale through your mouth. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel the tension release. Let's do one more. Deep inhale. Another quick inhale. And a slow, complete exhale. See? It's that simple. The next time you feel that wave of stress, overwhelm, or you just can't focus, remember the physiological sigh. Do it 2 or 3 times. It's a powerful tool you have with you all the time. Your brain will thank you for it, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can regain your sense of calm and clarity. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, science-backed tips to improve your well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.